Learn PyTorch Deep Learning leading to practical AI to from basics to paper implementation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you want to learn artificial intelligence, deep learning, and PyTorch from scratch and build real-world AI applications, then today's video is just for you. In this course, you'll learn everything from the basics to implementing research papers using PyTorch in a simple, practical, step-by-step way. What you'll learn: PyTorch fundamentals, tensors and autograd neural networks, deep learning model training, computer vision and AI projects, paper implementation techniques, practical AI applications, best practices used by AI professionals. This course is designed for beginners as well as students, developers, and anyone who wants to build a career in artificial intelligence. Why should you join this course? Beginner-friendly lessons, practical, hands-on projects, learn by building real AI models, understand industry-level deep learning concepts, gain skills that are valuable for AI careers, build an impressive portfolio with practical projects, career opportunities. After completing this course, you'll have a strong foundation to pursue opportunities such as AI engineer, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, Python developer, AI research assistant, freelance AI developer. You can also create your own AI applications, automate tasks, and continue learning advanced AI topics. Your earning potential depends on your skills, experience, and the work you take on, but these skills are in demand across many industries. Course enrollment: if you'd like to enroll in this amazing course, a unique enrollment link is provided in the video description below. Simply open the video description, click the unique enrollment link, and enroll from there. Party popper: through this special link, you may be able to access the course at a great discounted price, if the offer is available. Don't miss this opportunity to start your AI journey today. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI, Python, machine learning, deep learning, programming, and the latest technology. Your support motivates us to create more high-quality content for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning and happy coding.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Give your full support to my channel. Keep like and subscribe. If anybody wants to enroll this course, a unique discounted link is provided on this video description. Go there, click the link and enroll from there. This is a big discounted link where you achieve this course a unique discount price. So keep like, subscribe and enroll. Thank you very much. Give me your full support.